VGG family, welcome back to Amazing Grace Garden. So y'all, I am at Walmart, okay, and look what they got. I was just telling y'all in one of my videos that they have the Expert brand, little cheaper, okay, the Expert brand of your starts. Now let me tell you, it's early for cucumbers, tomatoes, peppers, and all that type of stuff. Okay, it's early. It is. They got it all out. I'm about to show you. Okay, they got it all out. And my thing is if you got a greenhouse or you got the means to cover it if we get a cold snap, then you can buy these. If you don't have a greenhouse or no means to cover your stuff if it gets cold, then don't buy these. Now y'all know I took my greenhouse covers off, okay? That's fine, I'm all right with that. I don't want to grow in the greenhouses. A lot of you, I want to show you that you don't have to, okay? About to drop my mask. But what I will do is if it gets extremely cold, then I am going to put my plastic over it. So keep in mind, if you cannot cover these and we get a cold snap, you're going to lose your plants. All right, so as long as you have a greenhouse or either a way to cover them, by all means knock yourself out and get your plants. Okay, let me show you. All right, y'all, so the Expert brand that I was telling y'all about, I think it's kind of like Walmart's brand or whatnot. Now they used to be a few cents cheaper. They are $2.47. Look for the ones that has a lot in there, okay? $2.47. I'm so excited. Look at this one. This is cucumber, $2.47. They don't look the best, but you get all those in there. Like some of the leaves, like they're not watering them like they should be, but look at all these starts that you get. Look at all the starts that you get. It beats going to Tractor Supply that has the bunny plants and what else, yeah, no, Lowe's, Home Depot or whatnot. Look at this. Now these, they got a little smart. They used to be $1.97, so they have one up. That's what it was. They used to be $1.97. These right here, they putting one in there for this. For the peppers, I noticed it's one. It used to be multiple ones, but they $2.47 for one plant. Okay, so if that's what you want to get, that's what you want to get. All right, they even got watermelons out right now. These are watermelon. You get like two. Let me see, are these separate? Yeah, 2 or 3 you can get. You can easily get that and put it in your greenhouses or whatnot. But they have jalapeno peppers, sweet peppers, sweet banana peppers, all the different types of tomatoes. Yes, I'm gonna drop seeds, okay, but I am showing y'all, you know, for those of you that do not like, this one got 2 plants for $2.47 in it, so you can find the ones that has more. Let me go ahead and go over here because I see more stuff. All right, so you got your basil. I know this is basil. Your basil right here, and there is multiple starts in that. What else? Your parsleys. Oh, this is hot and spicy oregano. Woo! Rosemary. This is Greek oregano. What else? Basil, lavender. So yeah, they have a lot of stuff to go ahead and get started if that is what you choose. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and go through this, and I'll pick y'all back up probably when I'm at home, and I can show y'all what I ended up getting. Okay, all right y'all, so a couple days has passed by. I pretty much came home, put the stuff in the garage, and got busy with some more stuff. So today is March 25th 2025. Okay, today is March 25th, 2025, and I'm just now finishing this video of showing y'all what I got from Walmart Garden Center far as the expert plants or whatnot. So let me go ahead and get into it. Like I said, I don't know if I said it was $1.97, but these are the one a couple videos ago I was telling y'all that Walmart normally have some cheap expert brand, and I don't know what price I said, but they used to be like $1.47, $1.97. Now they have went up to $2.47. But one thing that I noticed with the expert, and they very dry, they've been in the bag, I got water them. With the expert brand, we used to get them and they would just say tomatoes. They wouldn't tell you like what type of tomatoes. Aircraft. Give me a second. Alright, so they used to say, like the expert brand used to say just tomatoes. Wouldn't tell you what type of tomatoes, none of that. This year, they are actually telling you what type. So I got one of the Husky Cherry Red tomatoes is what they call it. Okay, Husky Cherry Red. Then I got some Italian parsley, and these are $2.47. Okay, $2.47. I want to say I have to look and make sure none wasn't $2.97. These are $2.47. Okay, and I am gonna be dropping my seeds. This is just to get me on start, because if y'all over on Mississippi Girl Life, my main channel, y'all will know that, well, I'm gonna stop saying main channel because they both main channels now. But my other channel, y'all would know I have been busy. I've been busy, and so I'm on top of everything now. I got stuff out here that's flowering and stuff, just working it all together and stuff. I'm trying to stay from being behind, because right now I'm behind on videos, okay? And they get all mixed up, jumbled up. I try to do it in an order, but I think I ended up putting up one video, and then I realized that I just let it rock, and then now I'm putting up videos that was later. Yeah, I'm trying to get it in order. But let's see, right here is some more herbs. This is the Dosi Frescata basil. I know I said that wrong, but it's basil. Okay, woo, it's basil. $2.47, and you got 3 in here. I always try to get like my tomato plant got 2. I always look for the ones that have more than one. You know, I think when they plant them, they probably put 2 or 3 seeds in case one don't come up. But if all 3 of them come up, then you get them in the packs, then that's perfect. Okay, that's a win-win situation, you ask me. Right here I got this rosemary. It's a rosemary barbecue. Okay, so I got that one. All right. Oh, it's getting stuck. All right, I'm so happy it's spring. So I couldn't wait. So in here I have a basil everleaf, Genova basil. Got another basil, different type. Okay, right. All right. Oh yeah, they gotta get water. I'm gonna water them as soon as I get through with this video. Ooh, especially this one. This is my cucumber. Okay, this is a bush pickle cucumber. Okay, I gotta water them. Woo, boy. Let's see. Then I got this gentry squash. Okay. All right. Oh. Then I got some more bush pickle cucumbers. Okay. This is oregano, hot and spicy. Okay, so hot and spicy oregano. Ooh, yes, 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 yes. Then I have another gentry squash. Okay. And y'all, if y'all been following me on Mississippi Girl Life, y'all know I love growing cucumbers. This is a burpless cucumber. Okay. Then I picked up a sweet banana pepper. Yes, they get the peppers. Sweet banana pepper. With the peppers, they did not play. They made sure it was one in there. And I believe if it was more than one, they went on to divide it. You're going to get one pepper plant, okay? But sweet bananas, they grow a lot if you take care of them. Y'all, they got watermelon plants out. So yeah, I picked up watermelon. Like I say, because we can still get a cold front, Easter snap, all that. Make sure you have the means to cover your plants if we get some cold weather, okay? It happens almost every year up here. But things could be different. It could not happen. It could not happen this year. This is a burpless cucumber. Got another one of those. Okay. And then I got another sweet banana pepper. Alright. Yeah. So those are what I ended up getting. What I ended up getting, y'all. So I'm happy about that, okay? Can't beat that with a stick. I mean, it is what it is. It beats buying those starts that's at Home Depot and stuff for like $5 and some change, you know, the bunny plants or whatnot. It beats that. So I mean, that's what I have. That's my little haul that I got. Make sure y'all check out Walmart. Check out the Expert brand, okay, in the garden center. The Expert brand. Ooh, this little bee. Ooh, this little bee. Please go, please go. See, there you go, y'all. They done started. Oh, he heard me. So I'm glad they pollinating and stuff, but I don't want them around me, okay? But make sure y'all check out the Expert brand. Get your start. If you got to get some starts, you got to get some starts, okay? I will be dropping seeds. I'm just trying to get that head start because like every year it seems like I be late, okay? I'll try it. I try to stay on task with it and I end up being late, but I want to grow a large amount of food this year. So yeah, so like every year, that's the goal, right? So with that being said, I'm gonna end it right here. Make sure y'all are on Mississippi Girl Life, and it's gonna say parentheses country prepper, country girl prepper in parentheses. That is still me. Anybody that's prepping, preserving food, all that type of stuff, stockpiling food and all that, go over to that channel. Plus it's gardening stuff over there from, you know, years ago. It's so much on that channel. That channel was a variety channel for years, okay? So I have so much good information, so much gardening stuff is over there before I decided to start this channel. All right, so with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time that I upload a video. And I will see y'all in the next one if it's God's will. Y'all be safe. Happy gardening. Remember, gardening is supposed to be fun. If you make it hard, it may not never get done, okay? Love y'all. Be safe. Bye.